Merry Christmas. It's Christmas Day, we've got a special video today, and yes, I'm leaving the snow on the whole video. Why not? Feeling festive. Welcome to the channel, my name's Xander, and if you're new here, please make sure you subscribe, press the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Tech uploads every single week, 1, 2, 3, how many videos I can fit in. I promise you, through 2022, it's going to be a good year, so stay tuned. Hit subscribe, press the bell, do all those things. Today we've got a special gift from ESR. ESR is a company I've done a few videos on. They make some amazing cases. Probably their Halo Lock case, I'd say, probably the best bit of tech. Definitely the bit of tech I've used most this year. Brilliant case, fully recommend it, so go and check them out. I'll link them in the description down below. But to say thank you for making the video, they've sent me this special influencer creator box that is only available to creators and influencers, not available for resale, not available on the market for you guys to buy, unfortunately. But we're going to open it up and see what they've sent me. It's exciting. How do I get into this? Oh, it's magnet. Wow. Okay, so little gift from ESR, little card in here. That's cool. Let's open it up. Here's what's coming your way, 2022 January. Oh, sneak peek, got some news for you. This tells you all the things that are coming in the new year. Merry Christmas. It's been a great year thanks largely to your ongoing support. With our help, our community grew faster in 2021 than it has ever grown. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Good, sincerely, Tim Wu, ESR CEO. Thanks, Tim. Okay, January, we've got Halo Lock, get shades of iPhone 13. Okay, refreshing new tech for our car charger in March. Work made easier for iPad in the middle of the year, not a date, but middle of the year. August, the galaxy of new cases, so we've got some cases. And Protection Plus for the next iPhone in September, which will be for the next iPhone 14 presumably. So we've got a timeline of stuff coming. Stay tuned, no doubt I'll get some good stuff off at ESR. Right, we've got a little box here. I wanted to get this box open first because we've got like a box of goodies. Let's open this first. Oh man, I love Christmas. I hope you're all having a really good day. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Beard. Stick it on. No. What have we got here? Looks like a little Christmas tree. No way. Flora. We've got an ESR Christmas tree. Oh, it's a candle. How cool is that? Oh, wicked. ESR candle. Just gonna focus on. Look at that. That's awesome. We've got a little bell there to tie on the candle as well. Cool, cool, cool. Made a bit of a mess though. Wow, we've got some wicked stuff in here. We have got a special edition Christmas leather case, genuine leather, with the Halo Lock inside. It's got their nice microfiber inners as well. Nice gold accents for the iPhone 13 Pro. All gold buttons on it as well. This is going to be my Christmas case. This is going on the phone straight away. I'll put some B-roll over the video so you can see what it looks like. But this, that's a special case. That looks really nice. I wish this was... Hey, maybe if enough people watch this video and comment down below, they might actually make these available for sale. Hopefully ESR will do that. Right, we've got some other goodies here. I'll put that over there. We've got some of their magnetic Halo Lock stickers, so you can stick this on any case and it'll make it magnetic for all the accessories. That's pretty awesome. And then we've got one of their MagSafe chargers, which has the stand on it, which stands it apart, no pun intended, against the normal Apple MagSafe charger. Works just as well. But this comes in a very cool Christmassy white, which is very nice. So that works with any USB-C as well. Detachable lead, which again stands it apart from the Apple version. You can actually take the lead if it does split and swap it out, so you can still use a charger. With the Apple one, of course, you can't do that. What else we got? Oh, talking of leads, their USB-C lead, really good quality ones from ESR, 9-volt DC. That's going to go with the charger. Thank you very much for that. And what else we got in here? Oh man, I hope you've had everything that you want for Christmas. Not sure. Let me know in the comments. if you know what that is. I don't know. Oh, right, we've got the Halo Lock alignment tools in here. So for iPhone and for Samsung, it tells you, gives you instructions so you can align these stickers in there like that, and it gets it bang on the right position for your MagSafe or wireless charging Samsung. And for iPhone, that is pretty cool. Star of the show is undoubtedly the leather case. I'm going to put this on the phone and test it out. But really cool, nice little box there from ESR to say thank you for all the work I've done for them this year. Not sponsored, they send me this stuff for free to review, but it's never a sponsored video. I'll just give you my honest opinion, and they are definitely some of the best cases you can buy for the iPhones. Definitely the iPhones anyway. I haven't tested the Samsung versions, but they do all versions. And their accessories like the Halo Lock car chargers, one I'm reviewing at the moment. It's going to be a video coming very soon. I've already talked about their alternative MagSafe chargers, really good. And they've sent me some MagSafe charging stands to test in the past as well, which were really good as well. So that's my Merry Christmas from ESR. Thanks guys for sending me that, really appreciate it. Hopefully we'll get some more tech off them next year. And that's it, just a quick video today. Thanks for watching. I hope you're having a wonderful Christmas. 2022, if you're new to the channel, is going to be massive here. We've got lots of stuff coming, and yeah, this channel has grown like over 2,000 subscribers this year, so projected I'm going to try and hit 10,000 by the end of 2022. So we're going for gold. Stay tuned, hit that bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year if I don't see you before, and I'll see you in 2022. See you soon guys, bye.